Hello everyone, this is Adamazi TV coming to you from
Seldon Park, which is in Brunswick, Georgia, USA. I'm Nana Afua Adezewa I, also known as Osinachi or Teresa R. Kemp. We're here with the gourd artist Mary Anderson from Winsboro, South Carolina, and she's looking at her gorgeous gourd jewelry that I've never seen before that's amazing. And then she has carved and made these gourds, keeping the African traditions of gourd making alive and even continuing to teach it.
Amen.
So she has come to join us so that we have interactive activities
Yes.
for Igbo youth and adults here at the Igbo World Arts and Music Festival 2023 from Brunswick, Georgia, United States of America. We welcome all of you from Chicago and around the world. We have chiefs and kings, dignitaries who have come from Mali, Ethiopia, Ireland, South Africa, Nigeria, all over
the world.
The tribes were taken to 82 countries for slavery before the transatlantic slave trade was stopped. British abolished slavery in 1807 under Wilberforce. So the British fleets sailed the oceans catching enslaved ships. But the Igbo people were taken to 82 countries and built the world. And their descendants are gathering here to continue honoring. And we went to Igbo Landing today, where a group of enslaved Africans who said the waters brought us, the waters will take us home, walked into the ocean and walked home.
Dear
Thank
Lord,
you
thank
so
you.
much.
Thank
We were
you.
able to step foot on this historic property to pray, do libations, and free the soul. So
Amen.
it was a wonderful
Amen.
experience.
Yes.
So hopefully we will give her the video to share with you all so that you can come on that journey with us.
Amen.
As you find out who you are, where you're from, we want you to document that history and preserve the vanishing traditions for future generations, but so you know who you are and whose you are. Thank you.
Thank you.